Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the remaining problems of miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 11, conic sections. The fifth question is, a rod of length 12 centimeter moves with its ends always touching the coordinate axis. So we have taken AB as the rod which is of length 12 centimeter and it is touching, its ends are touching on the coordinate axis, x and y axis. Determine the equation of the locus of a point P on the rod. So we have taken P as a point on the rod. We have to find out the locus of this point. What do you mean by locus of this point? That is, if this point is satisfying the given condition, what will be the structure which you are getting or the section which you are getting. Okay, that path you have to find out which shape it is of. So you have to find out the locus of a point P on the rod, which is, what is the property given? Which is 3 centimeter from the end in contact with the x-axis. So from this end which is in contact with the x-axis, which is the point A. So from this point 3 centimeter away, you have to take that point P and we have to find out the equation of the locus of P. Okay, for that first we will take any point on the x-axis will be of the form a comma 0. So we have taken A, the point A as a comma 0, and any point on the y-axis is taken as 0 comma something. So we have taken 0 comma B. So this distance is B, this is A. Now for the point P, whose equation of locus we have to find out, we are just taking it as h comma k. At last when we get the equation, we will just replace h and k with x and y. Okay, so P is taken as h comma k, that means this distance is h or and this is k, right? Now what we are doing, first we will find out what is h and k, h comma k, using the section formula, because this P is dividing the total line segment AB in the ratio 9:3. We can use the section formula to find out what is the coordinate of P, h comma k. Okay, so what we have taken, let AB is equal to, AB be the rod which is 12 centimeters and let P is 3 centimeter away from A. So you are taking P, the point P be h comma k. Okay, now first what will be AP? So therefore you are getting AP as 3 centimeter. From this you are getting AP as 3 centimeter. Again it is given in the question. Now what will be BP? BP will be 9 centimeter, 12 minus 3. In total it is of length 12. So BP will be 9 centimeter. So that you can say that line AB is divided in the ratio 9:3 by the point P. Okay, so you can say therefore the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 9:3. Okay, divide the line segment in the ratio 9 is, okay, AB we have taken means we will just write 3:9. If it is BA, you can write 9:3. Okay, now what we are doing is we are using section formula to find out that coordinate of P. So by section formula, what will be h equal to the first coordinate? H is equal to, here if you are just starting from this point, you can just say this is m:n, means you can just write that 9 into A, it will come this into this, or you can just start from this also. Okay, so 9 into A plus 3 into 0, 9 into A plus 3 into 0 divided by 9 plus 3, and K will be again 9 into the second coordinate, 9 into 0 plus 3 into the second coordinate of B, which is B, divided by 9 plus 3. That means you are getting H as 9A by 12 and K as 3B by 12. Now from this we are finding out what is A and B. Now why we are finding out A and B is, we will consider this triangle, right angle triangle OAB, and use the Pythagoras theorem to get a relation connecting all these. Okay, so first we will find out what is A equal to from this one. This will imply A is equal to 12H by 9, and B from here you will get 12K by 3. So this is equal to 4k, and here you will get 4h by 3. So A is 4h by 3 and B is 4k. Okay, now we are starting with the triangle. In triangle, which triangle? Right angle triangle. Okay, AOB, you will get AB square is equal to base square plus alternative square is equal to hypotenuse square. So you are getting OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. This will give you, what is OA? OA is actually A. So the length A is 4h by 3. So you can replace it as, or you can just write A square plus B square is equal to 12 square, and then replace A square plus B square is equal to 12 square. This will give you, instead of A we will have 4h by 3 the whole square, plus instead of B you have 4k the whole square is equal to 144. Again this will give you how much? 16h square by 9 plus 16k square is equal to 144. Now you can see that something square, here positive plus sign, and here k square. So the model which you are getting is of an ellipse. If this is made 1, you will get something h square by you can write, k square by you can write. So we are just transforming it in that form. That is, we are just dividing throughout by 144. So that this will become h square. Again I am writing h square divided by everything. Okay, so it will be 9 by 16 and 144 will come here like this. So it is like this. 9 by 16 is same as 16 by 9 here in the numerator, plus k square by again 144 by 16, right? Now this will give you 9 here, this will give you here 9 equal to 1. That means you are getting the equation as h square by 9 into 9, 81, plus k square by 9 is equal to 1. So this is in the standard form of an ellipse. Okay, so that when we say or talk about the equation of the locus of the point, we'll just replace h and k with x and y. Therefore, this will become, actually, if you are replacing it is x square by 81 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the locus of the point P is x square by 81 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. That is, it is an ellipse, which implies the locus of P is an ellipse. Okay, it is an ellipse. So the equation is x square by 81 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. That means it is an ellipse. Locus is giving you an elliptic shape. Question number 6 is, find the area of the triangle formed by the lines joining the vertex of the parabola x square equal to 12y to the ends of its latus rectum. So since the equation is of the form x square equal to 12y, that is x square equal to 4ay, it should be like facing upwards. Okay, so in this shape will be a x square equal to 12y parabola. Now again what they are saying is the triangle which we are forming should be the line joining, the three lines will be like, one should be the latus rectum. Okay, ends of the latus rectum are this and this. So we have taken AB as the latus rectum, so that one point is A, the other point is B, and the third point is O. So joining these three, what triangle is formed, you have to find out the area of that triangle. Okay, so now again we will just comparing the given equation. What is the given equation of the parabola? Given equation of the parabola is x square equal to 12y. Now comparing this with x square equal to 4ay, we will get 4a is equal to 12, right? Now from this, what is a is equal to? We are getting a as 3. Now when a is 3, we know that when it is facing upwards, the focus of the parabola will be of the form 0, a. So you will get, this is 0, a, that means it is 0, 3. Now since this is its y coordinate is 3, this whole line is lying in the same, like it is parallel to the x-axis, so that the y coordinate will be a constant there. That means for the a point A, as well as for B, the coordinates of y will be 3 only. Okay, so we can say that from this we are getting then the focus F is 0, 3. Okay, therefore you will get y is equal to 3. Y is permanently 3 there. So now this y equal to 3 can be replaced here, where that is you are getting x square is equal to 4ay, or instead of this we can just replace 12 into 3 will give you 36, or if you have found out a, you will write 4 into a is 3 and y is also 3, so that x square is equal to how much you are getting? 36. Even if you are replacing here, then also you will get the same value. So this will give you what is x equal to? X equal to plus or minus 6. That means the coordinate of x for a and b. The point A as well as B will have the coordinate, second coordinate or y coordinate as 3 only. Now what will be the x coordinate? Here it will be minus 6, here it will be 6. Okay, so the coordinates of A and B you got as minus 6, 3, 6, 3, and already the vertex is 0, 0 for this type of equation. So all the 3 points you got for the triangle. Now you can find out the area of the triangle. Therefore A is minus 6, 3, B is 6, 3, and O is 0, 0. Hence, we are finding out the area of the triangle. Okay, area of triangle AOB will be equal to, normally what is the formula if you have 3 points or 3 vertices of the triangle? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now you can just replace, taking, suppose this is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So replacing the values, you will get half into, if you are getting any negative sign inside, that should be deleted. That's why we are just replacing this with modulus sign. Okay, so that you will take only, this is area, no, so you will take only positive value, right? Now what is x1? x1 is taken as 0, so 0 into y2 minus y1 is again giving you 3 minus 3, so this term will go. Then what is x2? x2 is 6, 6 into y3, 3 minus y1 is 0, plus x3 is minus 6 into y1 0 minus y2 3. So half into, here nothing, here you will have 18, this is minus into minus plus, so it is plus 18, that is half into 36. Anyway it is positive, so you can say 36 by 2, which is 18 units. So this is the area of the triangle joining the 3 points minus 6, 3, 6, 3 and 0, 0. Question number 7 is, a man running a race course notes that the sum of the distances from the 2 flag posts from him is always 10 meter and the distance between the flag posts is 8 meter. Find the equation of the posts traced by the man. So if we are taking the 2 fixed points which they are talking about, the flags, the 2 flags, flag posts, you can see the 2 flag posts are taken as F1 and F2. So, and we know that if the sum of the distances from 2 fixed points is giving you a constant, is always a constant, then what you can say, the structure which you will get, it will be an ellipse. Okay, that is a property of an ellipse, that is sum of P. If you are taking P as the point where the man is and that is moving, that person is moving, and he finds that wherever he goes, the sum from these two distances is giving you that constant 10. So you can say that the equation will be considered as the equation of an ellipse, right? So what are given is, I have already written, that is Pf1 plus Pf2 is given to be 10 meters and F1, F2 is given to be 8 meters. Okay. Now, therefore, what you can say is Pf1 plus Pf2, which we take as a constant, is actually 2a, which is the length of the major axis, right? 2a is equal to 10. So if we are forming like this, this distance AB is your 2A. This total length AB is 2A, which is given to be 10, and that will give you what is A is equal to, right? So you got A. Now F1, F2, that means distance between the two foci, and that is generally represented as 2C. So 2C is given to be 8 meters, right? So that will give you what is C is equal to, which is 4 meters. Now the thing which we have to consider is therefore the equation of the ellipse which we need to consider will be of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, right? Now we have already a with us. We have to find out what is b is equal to. For that we can consider the relation connecting a, b, c, which is equal to b square is equal to a is bigger here. So it is a square minus c square. That means a square will give you 25 minus c square will give you 16, which is equal to 9. So we need b square also. Now the equation of the ellipse will become, equation of the ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the post traced by the man, okay, which is the equation of the posts traced by the man. Okay. Question number 8 is, an equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola y square equal to 4ax, where one vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Find the length of the side of the triangle. So here we have taken y square equal to 4ax will be of this shape, that is towards the right side it will be opening, and one vertex of the equilateral triangle which is formed here joining these 3 points, one vertex should be on the, again, vertex of the parabola itself. So it is taken as here O, and the other two are here. Okay, now what we need to find out is the length of the side. So we are taking just OA, or one side's length as L. Each will be equal because it is an equilateral triangle. So first we are taking let OA is equal to L. Now why I have taken OA equal to L is, I will consider this triangle which is right angled here. Okay, considering this triangle, I will find out the coordinate of A. Why? Because when I get the coordinate of A, that A is lying on the parabola y square equal to 4ax, that means that point will satisfy the equation of the parabola, and that will help us to find out the length of the side of the triangle. Okay, now considering the triangle, okay, triangle OAC, you can just see, since it is an equilateral triangle and the C is acting as a midpoint of AB, because this length and this length is same. For 4A, if it is the length, this is 2A, this is 2A, that is length of the lattice rectum, like that. So what you are getting is this angle 60 degree, each is of 60 degree angle. So this measure will be broken into two, 30 and 30. So from considering this triangle, we can find out what is cos 30 degree and sin 30 degree. Okay, so in triangle OAC, what will be cos 30 degree? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is OC, by hypotenuse is OA. That means cos 30 is, how much value you are getting for cos 30 degree? √3 by 2 equal to, what is OC here? We don't know, so it is AC, OC, and OA is taken as L. So from here we can find out what is OC equal to. Okay, therefore OC is equal to √3 L by 2. Now again, sin theta will give you, or sin 30 degree will give you opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AC, AC by hypotenuse is OA. That is, what is sin 30? 1 by 2, it is equal to AC, which again we don't know, divided by OA is taken as L. That is, you will get AC is equal to L by 2. Now just see A, the point, therefore the coordinate of, what will be the coordinate of A? Actually it is OC comma AC. This length comma this length, right? And these two lengths we have found out here, OC and AC. So therefore the coordinate of A will be, that is OC, which is root 3 L by 2 comma AC, which is L by 2. Now again A is a point on the given parabola, so it will satisfy the equation also. Since A is a point on the parabola y square equal to 4ax, we can replace y with L by 2. So L by 2 the whole square is equal to 4a into, what is x? X is giving you root 3 L by 2. So that this is giving you L square by 4 is equal to 4a 4 root 3a L by 2, or L will get cancelled. L is equal to 16 root 3a by 2 or 8 root 3a. Therefore, the length of the side of the triangle is equal to 8 root 3a units. Okay.